Are you trying to figure out how to compare scan results in Tenable.io? Well, in this quick explanation, I'll walk you through the process so you can master the software and get the most out of your scans. Stick around until the end because I'll share an exclusive bonus that can help you start using Tenable.io for free, along with some other cool tips. First off, when you run a vulnerability scan in Tenable.io, you'll have different scan results that provide insights into your network security. Comparing these results lets you understand what's changed over time and which vulnerabilities need attention. Let's dive into how you can compare those results. Next thing you need to know, once you've completed a scan, go to the Scans section in Tenable.io. This is where you'll find all the scan results. You can either compare two specific scans or even multiple results at once. The easiest way to get started is by selecting the scans you want to compare and then click the Compare button at the top of the page. The fourth thing, once you click that, Tenable.io gives you a side-by-side view of your scans. It highlights differences between the two scans, such as newly discovered vulnerabilities or fixed ones. This is super helpful to track your progress in securing your network. Now, let's talk about the filters. The next step is to use filters to narrow down your view. You can filter by severity level, plugin type, or even by specific hosts or IPs. This is a great way to focus on what's important for your analysis, especially when you're comparing scans over a large network. One of the coolest features in Tenable.io is the trend analysis, which you can access after comparing the scans. This shows how vulnerabilities have changed over time, and it gives you a clearer picture of the improvements or regressions in your security posture. Lastly, don't forget about the export options. After comparing your scans, you can export the results into reports. You can choose between different formats like PDF or CSV. This makes it easy to share your findings with team members or clients. And if you need to share multiple results, just export them together for a more comprehensive report. Remember, you can try Tenable.io completely free through the first link below and unlock exclusive bonuses that will help you explore the software more effectively. As we wrap up, don't forget, Tenable.io is a powerful tool for comparing scan results and tracking vulnerabilities. With this quick walkthrough, you should now be able to easily compare your scans and take the next steps towards securing your network. If you found this useful, check the link below to get an extended free trial and start using Tenable.io today.